My dear Wunderkinds, welcome to this learning platform. Today, I will explain to you only 6 words that will amuse you, that will be with you. So I have just titled these 6 words as bewitching words to bewitch you. So give attention. This is an hero. It seems to be erroneous because it should be a hero. No, it's an hero. What happens? It makes an hero means suicide, or a person who commits suicide. How this an hero came into existence? There was a boy who lost his iPods, so he committed suicide. So at that time, it should be written a hero, it was written an hero, and it was accepted. So as a noun, it can be written, he became an hero. It's a noun. As a verb, he unheroed himself. Unheroed himself. She unheroed himself. This is verb. So this is very interesting to know. She became an hero. She unheroed himself. She has decided to unhero himself, whatever it may be. So unhero means 2 things. One is suicide as a noun, and to commit suicide also as a verb. Unhero as a noun, suicide, and a verb to commit suicide. Then come Gandhi dot. This means bindi that is used in the forehead of girls and women, that is Gandhi dot. The next one is Gandhi's revenge. Gandhi's revenge means your diarrhea. Gandhi's revenge means diarrhea. So Gandhi dot bindi, Gandhi's revenge, diarrhea. Then social butterfly. A social butterfly is a person who is very sociable, who mixes with others, and he has soft skills. He can deliver speeches. He has the ability to solve any problems, to resolve any disputes. That is called social butterfly. And a social fruit fly is a person who talks more, does nothing. Only he is a talker. He is a megalomaniac. He is a braggart. He is very thrasonical. He does nothing. He has no workmanship. Then under social butterfly is a person who is very social. He is expert in social engineering. He delivers speech. He solves problems. Social butterfly is a megalomaniac who talks more and does nothing. Then helicopter view means simply overview. Whenever you are writing any essay or article or thesis, in the last paragraph you can write helicopter view, or whenever you are starting something, it would be better just you do one thing. Whenever you are writing any article or any essay, just start with helicopter view. Just give there a synopsis, then you start your writing, so that it will be much more impressive. Once again I am telling, bewitching words means attractive words, captivating words, entrancing words to bewitch, to mesmerize, to hypnotize you. An hero, this seems very peculiar. It seems to have a peculiarity. It has 2 meanings. One is noun, another one is verb. He became an hero, noun. He heroed himself, verb. Gandhi. Then comes your Gandhi's revenge, diarrhea. He is in for Gandhi's revenge. He is suffering from Gandhi's revenge. Then social butterfly, a social person who mixes with others, who has high soft skills. Then social fruit fly. Then helicopter view. So you remember all these words. 2 things you will get. You will boost up your vocabulary. Number 2, you will secure good marks in the examination. once I am telling that one new idea is a new concept. You please like it, share it, and subscribe it. Muchas gracias.